What's up, guys? I'm about to unbox these Vankyyo wireless earbuds for you guys. Let's get it. What's up, guys? I'm Raf in the RAFCAVE. Welcome back to another unboxing. Now this here is going to be on these wireless earbuds from Vankyyo. They're kind enough to send this to me to show you guys, and I want to show you what they're all about. So let's check out inside, unbox it, and see what they look like. Let's check it out. Now these are going to have really good features. Now CVC 8.0 call noise reduction function, which is great for taking phone calls. Not going to be a lot of noise in them. Also have ear hook method, specially designed for sports, and also the sound quality is aptX transmission, which is great for cinema level sound. They're also waterproof and sweat proof, and they have IPX7 waterproof technology built in. Long lasting battery, 7 hours of battery life, so you can enjoy that music. So guys, let's unbox this for you, check them out, see what they look like, put them on, try them out. I'll give you my first impressions on them. Let's get it, guys. Alright guys, so here's the box here. They are the S05A wireless earbuds, Qualcomm aptX technology from Vankyyo. On the back, leading technology, audio experience, one-step pairing. Look at that, hyper long connection distance, long lasting battery life, thin charging case, it's got it all. Cool, let's unbox this. You know what time it is, guys. Black pin. Alright, let's check these out. One there, and one there. Open these guys up. Ooh-wee! That's slick, guys. Nice felt padding in there. Let's open the top part first. Alright, so we got in this little box of goodies. Looks like we got USB cable and some sizing for your ear. This is going to be a USB-C cable. Are you kidding me? Welcome to the future and technology. Beast. And then you're going to have these multi-sized buds for your ear if you want to change the size of them. Very cool. Your owner's manual, of course. You don't need to worry about that. I'll let you know how to charge them. Plug them in. Fit the earbud into your ear. It's like little instructions. Little instructions there on how to put it in your ear there. Boom. Alright, let's go see what's inside this little box here. This is a nice little box. Look at this. You got the USB-C on the back. You can plug that bad boy in. There you go. You guys ready? I'm going to open it up for you guys. Alright, here we go, guys. Ready? Look at the lights. Oh, damn. Look at that. They're ready to go out of the box, man. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's sick. That's sick. You open the case and they're ready to go. Now they're looking for stuff. They're looking for some signal. Oh, man, that's cool. That's cool. All right. Damn, that's sweet. Look at that. Look at that quality, guys. Look at that quality, guys. You got the charging port right there. Got a little button there. There's the charging pins inside there. Check that out, man. Ooh. Oh, that's sick. Very nice. Very nice. Alright. They say right and left. Yeah, wait, no. I don't see right and left. Alright, so it says to pair the earbuds, you open the charge case, which we did. And the lights will flash automatically, go red and blue. And we want to turn on the Bluetooth of our phone, which I'm going to do. This is fantastic, guys. I can actually do this while filming at the same time. This is a revolutionary in the RAFCAVE videos. This is going to save a lot of time. I love it. All right, so you go to your Bluetooth settings. So we're waiting for S05A. See right there. S05A. So we're going to click that. It's going to say pairing. Pair the S05A. We're going to say Okay. I just heard something. Alright, so they're paired. So right out of the box, they're at 100% battery remaining. That's awesome. Right out of the box, they're ready to go. Alright, so I'm going to put these on. Like that. You go like this, like that. See if they work. Circles. Very clear. Don't have any copyright now. Okay, building up. Very clean. Clean sound. And these are very comfortable too. Very lightweight, no fatigue. So I'll give it a really good clarity, right? I can hear all the different instruments. It's very clear. Not a lot of bass though. So lacking the bass is a little kind of meh. But as far as them turning on right away, pairing them easily, putting them on, and away you go. There's no cords. There's nothing on top of your head. You just put them on and you're good to go. That's cool. So with these you can wear, you know, in the gym, outside doing the lawn work, walking around the house, anything, right? That's awesome. You got 7-hour battery life. They're waterproof, water resistant, not submergible, but just no light rain and, you know, kind of sweating and stuff. So that's really good plus. Good Bluetooth capability, so very clean audio, good range, of course. But they're really slick. These case right here, pop them in this case, and away you go. It's very simple. Put them in your pocket. Very easy to take out, turn on, turn off. So these ear tips here are large, medium, and small. So if the ones that come with it are fitting very nice or it's too loose, you can fit the larger ones. And if you do larger ones, you might actually get better bass response too. So to use these earbuds, guys, there's a couple different controls. So hold the left button. What's great about it is it's a touch button. It's not like a actually button. It's more of a sensitive. So you just hold it down for 2 seconds and it'll drop the volume. On the right side, you hold it in and it'll raise the volume up. Tap either side once, it pauses. Tap it again, unpause. Double tap right to go the next song. Double tap left to go to the previous song. And then you can also accept phone calls. And there's also directions there for call waiting and hang up and answer and all that good stuff. So very intuitive controls, very easy to operate. So that's a really good plus about these earbuds as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to give these a try. They're not very expensive, but I think having a wireless set of earbuds like this is going to come in very handy for everyday life. All right, guys, you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Home Theater Rules. Raf out. See ya.